Well, friends, myself D.D. Thorat, we are going to study genetics, Mendelism, the law of segregation or the law of purity of gametes. We know that a cross between the parents having two different contrasting characters. Only a dominant character appear in F1 generation and recessive character is masked or hidden. The hidden character is reappeared in F2 generation again. It clears that recessive character is transmitted from a parent towards the F2 generation through the F1 generation. In F1 generation, the dominant character and the recessive character both are present in close association, but they are not mixed or blended. At the time of gamete formation, these two factors are undergo separation or segregate from each other. Therefore, in F1 generation, one gamete receives a factor from a dominant character and other gametes receives a factor from a recessive character. So, the law of segregation is states that when a pair of contrasting characters occur together in a hybrid union, they remain together without mixing with each other and segregate during the formation of gametes. Gametes formed are pure for the characters which they carry. Mendel have explained this by considering two varieties of pea plants with different color of flowers. Red flowered variety produce red flowers only. White flowered variety produce white flowers only. Mendel called to these a pure variety or a true variety or a homozygous variety. Mendel have done the reciprocal cross in these parents. Here the characters were same but sex were reversed. Mendel then observes that the flower color of it and called them the F1 generation. He noticed that all flowers in the F1 generation are uniformly red flowers and matching with the red parent. See, in this example, red flowered male having the genotype capital R and white flowered female having the genotype small r. It gives the gametes from the red flower capital R and from the white flower small r. In F1 generation, the capital R and small r is present together, and in heterozygous condition they shows all red flowered variety. Means in it red or the capital R is responsible for the redness character and small r is responsible for the whiteness character, which are occurs together in a F1 generation. When interbreeding is done in between the heterozygous F1 male and female, during the gamete formation, the gene capital R and gene small r they undergo separation or they segregate from each other and forms two types of gametes in which half will carry the gene. We contain capital R gene or the small r gene. To the another parent, capital R gene or the small r gene. It means these genes or factors are segregate or separate during the gamete formation. On Chi-square board or Punnett-square board, here the male and female gametes arranged horizontally and vertically, and the possible combinations shown in the square. One may be capital R, second and third will be the capital R and small r, and fourth one is small r. So in F2 generation, 3 shows red flower and 1 shows white flower. The ratio is 3:1. In monohybrid cross, each parent gives one factor to the hybrid. In this hybrid union, they remain together without mixing with each other. They segregate during the formation of gametes. In F2 generation, both dominant and recessive characters are expressed showing phenotypic ratio 3:1. Cytological explanation. We know that in a reproductive cell, there are genes located on chromatid. Dominant genes are represented by the capital letter and recessive gene by the small letter. These genes are transmitted from parents to offsprings. During gametogenesis, dominant and recessive genes remain together without mixing with each other and segregate during the formation of gametes. Thus, in F2 generation, two contrasting characters expressed in the phenotypic ratio 3:1. Mendel have done such crosses in other characters which are present in the pea plants, such as color of cotyledon, position of pods, etc. And he observes the same types of results. So, the law of segregation again states that when a pair of contrasting characters occur together in a hybrid union, they remain together without mixing with each other and segregate during the formation of gametes. So, this is called the law of segregation or the law of purity of gametes. Thank you.